It's your boy Tyrell, aka Showtime, and welcome to the show, ladies and gentlemen. Today we got another reaction for y'all, man. But before we talk about the video that we're going to react to today, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, join the show, join the family. Damn, why wouldn't you join the show and why wouldn't you join the family over here on Showtime Reacts? We're truly an underrated channel, I promise you, bro. We got like, what, 5.3K subscribers? You know what I'm saying? That number's constantly growing. So big shout out to all y'all that's been showing so much support, man. Clicking that like button, commenting, all that stuff helps my channel out so much. And I just enjoy it, man. Here on Showtime Reacts, we do a lot of different things, from public freakouts, Karen videos, employees versus customers, how to catch a predator. We do so many different things over here, man. It's truly a good time. My actual, genuine reaction, not like some of these fake YouTube channels out here. You feel me? But yeah, man, we're gonna jump into today's video. We got dogs chasing people. Funny moments 2020. Hey man, I think it's gonna be funny. I've been chased by dogs before. Let me know if you've been chased by a dog before down in the comments below, man. I still remember my girl, my little chihuahuas used to chase me, man. Little ankle biters, you feel me? But without further ado, let's get it. This nigga, oh hell no. Big dog came on, he ain't kicking no more. Oh no, bro. Hold up, bro. Oh hell no. On your ass. Oh shit. No way this nigga just did that, bro. This nigga just turned into parkour. Oh shit. Oh no, bro. Damn. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, run nigga. Run nigga. Oh my god. The gate's open, nigga. Yo, the gate was open the whole time. This nigga jumped right on that joint. Oh shit. You gonna be kicking my homie like that, nigga? What's wrong with you? Oh yeah, that joint about to bite his head. Oh shit. She laughing and shit, nigga. This shit ain't funny, boy. Get your ass over. She ain't scared, bro. She laughing. She playing this shit. Oh yeah. This shit better be on yours. Oh, what are you doing? You chasing the dogs off? Little nigga go hard. Look at these nigga chasing the dog. Oh shit. Oh shit. Whose dog is that, bro? Whose dog is that? Oh shit. Get up out of there, son. You ain't going nowhere, nigga. Oh shit. This thing got the machete. Oh lord. Oh. Damn, bro. He gonna kill one of them dogs, bro. Oh yeah, I'm out of there. She ain't playing no games. Nigga laughing. Look at him. Let me go check on this girl real quick. Oh, that shit was funny, boy. That was funny, bro. Hey man, that was dogs chasing people. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments below. I think it was pretty funny. If y'all enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments. Hey, I'll do more of these if y'all want to see it. If y'all want to see these type of videos, just comment down below. Let me know what you want to see, and I'll react to it, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, join the show, join the family. Follow me on IG. Link is in the description. New music in the description. And until next time, I'm out of here, man. Peace.